Badger. He's so emotional and he's so cheap, always trying to save on a stamp. Okay, back in the workshop. Let's look through the box to see what we want to use. Some weird yellow pieces of wood? Nope. Ooh, 2 nice pieces of newly resawn oak. They'll do. Copper pipe. Lovely. And I'll add in these 2 nice pieces of sapele I've been saving. Perfect. Let's get started. This snazzy deburring tool should make sure that Badger doesn't catch his little fingers on the sharp edges of a pipe. Anyone who watches Badger's channel will know that he loves to use Danish oil. The thing is, I only use superior Danish oil. So that's it. That's my first video using the maker box materials. I've got 2 more projects in mind before I get the maker box off to the next participant, sorry. So I hope you'll come back to find out what the next projects are. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Remember, stay foxy.